Okay, family, I'm back. You know I had to do it one more time. Got to. This is a cup that my cousin made for me when I was giving birth to my baby. I think it's so cute. Shout outs to her. She has a channel on YouTube. Crafty Can on YouTube. Check her out. She's really crafty. Okay. Oh, let me cut into this, honey. Hold up. Bring it back. Bring it in. All right. Woo. Now, I like my steak sometimes, guys, with just a little bit of pink in the middle. You know, a little bit. And today, I think I did it right. It's a little bit in there. See? Just like that. I don't like it with the blood dripping, none of that, but it can have a little bit in there. A little juiciness for me. I'm gonna pour that sauce on there like that. Yes, indeed I am. And I want you guys to take a look. Take a look at that. Do you see that? That steak is shining, baby. It's shining. What you doing? Well, I don't know what baby girl doing, but we're gonna eat.
Cold? Cold?
When I tell y'all, it's good. I'm not gonna lie to you. Oh my God. I'll take it. Okay. Thank you. Ah. Woo. This is good. Look at that. Come on. Come on. That's the fatty part there. Juicy. You drinking your juicy now? Okay, drink your apple juice. Yeah, guys, I got baby girl in the house with us tonight.
Apple? Apple? No. Hi, Kitty. Well, Lizzie. Go, Lizzie. Go, Dada. Go, Dada. Come on, Dada.
Dada home.
Dada. Dada.
Yeah, home.
Dada. Dada home. Home. Dada home.
Huh? Want to see the people here? Say hi to them. Say hi, guys. Wait.
Papa, Uncle I.
Uncle I's went home.
Nini.
Nene home.
They're home.
They home, baby.
They're home. They're home. That's a home.
Mm-hmm.
That's a home.
Mm-hmm. Mm. That girl's having a trip, y'all. You having fun? Okay. I don't want that. You go ahead and play with what you're doing. I'm gonna sit here and eat this good food. Yes, Lord. Oh, Lord.
I do like to do.
Mm-hmm. It's good, guys. But y'all know, you know, from the last, 3 videos, I don't eat a lot. You okay? What you doing? Stop playing with this. You know what, my daughter? Taking it. Taking it. No more. No more.
Nini?
Nini home.
Dada?
Stay home, baby.
Eat.
Eat.
Mommy.
You sleepy?
Mommy.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy. Mommy. How you doing?
I'm doing good.
Mommy, eat.
Mommy eat. And she eating good too.
Mom?
Mm-hmm.
Mom.
Mm-hmm.
Mom?
More what? What do you want?
Mom.
What?
Mom.
There's no more.
Mom?
No more.
Mom?
Mm-mm.
Mom.
What do you want, baby?
Mom.
More what? So, guys, I didn't get a chance to upload the finished product of the yams, the candy yams, because my camera that I was using for the storage is full. So I gotta take some of them videos, pardon me, and save it to my computer. But anyway, when I started cooking on the camera, you can see that I had the top on, right? On top of the stove. I cooked these candy yams on top of the stove. And I had the pot with the lid on because I needed them to cook. And when I got nice and tender is when I removed the lid. Okay? I wasn't able to show you the pot. I'm probably linking a picture to just let you see how good they look, because they look good. They is really good, and they're really nice. Nice taste to it, nice flavor to it. These this is stovetop, the potatoes. Okay, and these are like the red ones, the red potatoes. I like them because you can see the flakes in there. Okay, if you look, and when I tell you, it tastes just like you peeled a potato. Yes, you do. Best brand. What brand is this? Idaho. The best brand. So good. The little packages. I did show you guys the collard greens that I'm making with the turnips and the what are you doing? She's a jokester. Yes, baby. Oh. All you do is making a mess. Oh my goodness. They're gonna be cooking for a while. They're still cooking. And I got the smoked turkey wings in there. They're gonna cook, and that'll be for my Sunday dinner. Okay, I'll have that Sunday with the turkey meatloaf. I'm probably gonna do a video with the turkey meatloaf because I can make a turkey meatloaf look just like it's ground beef. Okay, but you gotta tune in to see how I do that. Okay, that's gonna be real good. Y'all, this is good. I'm just stuffed, you know. I like food. I'm a foodie. You know, I love all different types of food. We're going to cook some shrimp and broccoli I'm going to put that on the menu one day this week. Shrimp lo mein, beef lo mein, all that good stuff. We're going to cook. Like, I like all different type of food. And we're going to get down with that. But when I'm cooking all day, it's just by the time I sit down to really eat it, I snack. So I'll eat a little bit, then I'll put it down. Then I'll watch a movie or something at the weekend, and then I come back to it. Because now it's like, look how much I ate. I ain't even put a dent in this yet. Damn. You know. But, other than that, everything's good. Everything's good over here. You know. Me and baby Yuzu is doing good. Right, baby?
Dad.
You drop your juice? Let me get that. We are doing good. Now, a review that I really want to do, guys, is on Patti LaBelle's banana pudding. I gotta do a review on this. I got to.
Mommy, drink.
Okay, drink. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Mommy,
Eat. Okay, you finished? Give it to me. Thank you.
Clean up.
Clean up. Okay. Let's clean up. Good girl. You're such a good girl, baby.
Clean up.
Yeah, absolutely. You want to sit down with mommy? Hmm?
Can
I'm not finished yet. You want to take some of this banana pudding? You want some? Okay, let's see. So what I'll do is, I'm gonna let you get some. Yes. We're gonna see. What? Yeah. Let me open it. Come on now. Let's see. This don't make no damn sense. All right, guys. I'm about to open up this patty. And move this to the side. Yeah, you about to eat. Let's see what it's about. What? Want to eat though? Let's see. So this is it. I'm gonna get my little scoop on. Let's see what the baby thinks. You want more? Ciao, Miss Patty.
How about? Mommy. Mom.
Okay. It's good? What you think?
Mom.
Good cookie. Cookie on top.
Mom.
The filling of banana flavor is good.
Mom.
What you think, Boo? Is it good? It's good, guys. I like it.
Fun.
You see?
Mommy.
Cookie at the bottom.
Mommy.
Good?
Dinosaur. Dinosaur.
It's good?
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur?
Dinosaur.
I really like that, guys. It was pretty good. It's sweet.
Mom.
It's very sweet.
Mom.
Hmm? Of course you want more, girl. You like sweets. The banana custard is good. Sweet? Wipe your mouth. Okay, guys, so...
Mommy.
I'm doing a video. Say hi to the family.
Hi.
She says hi. You welcome everybody to the channel. You welcome everybody to the channel, boo.
Mommy, sleeping.
Mommy sheeping? Mommy sheeping? Me or you, or me or you? You? Okay. Say bye-bye.
No.
You do this every time. You can say you don't want to say bye? So what you want to tell them?
Bye.
Bye. See you later.
No.
No, what you want to say? You want to say see you later? Say see you later. She's funny. Anyway, tune in, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Oh, she want to talk to you guys a little bit more. Let me just let her do her thing. You want more? My bad. Let me see. She likes it and I like it, so if you haven't tried it, please go and give it a try. That's it. You mean no more? That's it. No more sweets. Definitely give it. No, it's that good. You're gonna keep wanting more and more and more. Check it out, guys. Try it. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification so you can get in contact with the new content that we coming with y'all with. Peace out.